Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a Microsoft Excel clone application that I developed in React.js. So I'm just showing you the demo here. I'm running this application locally. So it started on localhost 5173. This is actually the interface. So here you can create Excel spreadsheet directly in the browser. So you click on the new spreadsheet button. So as soon as you click it, you will be redirected to the Excel editor. So here you can actually fill out the information right here. You can fill out the columns and the rows here. So it's similar to the Microsoft Excel, but it's available directly in the browser. So I built out this application in React.js. I've given the source code. If you want, you can directly purchase it. So once you purchase it, you will get a zip file from Google Drive automatically. So this is actually the overall directory structure. Every component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. As you can see, every component is divided. So now to run this project, it's very simple. You go to the command line, simply type the command npm run dev. So this will start the development server at localhost 5173. So I'm just running this application right here. So after you fill out your necessary information, so it's very simple. So basically you fill out the information. After that, you have the option, you can click on the file button, and you can actually download this as a CSV file, Excel file, or JSON file. So we have all these three options available. So if you click download as CSV, so it actually export this as a spreadsheet CSV file. So all the data that you written directly is saved here. You can just see here, and same goes with Excel file as well. You can even export this as an Excel file. So data has been successfully exported. So you will see all the data that you written is directly exported. So this is actually the full Microsoft Excel spreadsheet clone that I developed in React.js. If you are interested, I've given the link in the description. You can directly purchase it. So for building this, we are using the latest version of React. So once you get the source code, you will able to get actually modify the source code or add additional features on top of it as well. So this is a full directory structure. We are also using React Router, React Spreadsheet as well. These are some of the third-party libraries that we are using for this. We are using Daisy UI for the user interface. This is a complete application. You can even save your work as well. Just click the save button and it will save. And so everything will display right here. How many spreadsheets you make, you will be seeing this on the home page. It will also show you the size as well. So you can even actually import your Excel file as well. You can edit that Excel file by clicking the import button. So you can very easily, you can just see here, you can even write your Excel formulas as well. So it's a complete editor, Excel editor for editing Excel files directly in the browser. So if you're interested, guys, I've given the link in the description. You can directly purchase it. So this is a complete React JS Excel spreadsheet editor, which allows you to directly edit your Excel files directly in the browser.